Hey everyone, it's Michelle from Kinder Soaps. I hope you're all keeping well. I've got two little things to let you know today. Firstly is about our soap. I did mention earlier that I've got a shampoo bar coming out and it's all done, it's wrapped up, it's actually pretty much ready to go. But unfortunately, because I've been holding back on finalizing the design for the labels, that's why they're stuck. So I'm so sorry that I've had to make you wait on this. But you give me about maybe 1 or 2 more weeks to finalize that, and I can get those labels printed, and you can start browsing through our website and have a look at the soap and see whether you like it or not. It's got a very nice, refreshing, minty feeling on the scalp, but not anything too harsh. And I find that, well, my hair is a frizzy type, so when I tried it on my hair, it didn't make it too fluffy, but at the same time, it did make it frizzier than it normally is. And I quite liked it. And the kids, it worked on my daughter's very fine hair quite nicely. It's easy to comb. So I hope you like it too. The other thing that I'd like to announce is that yesterday I just got a call from the Good Manufacturing Practices, or GMP division, of our National Pharmaceutical Control Bureau, and my floor plan for a GMP compliant studio has finally been approved, and I'm really happy about this because it's taken about 6 months to all the back and forth discussions that we've had with the people from GMP. We've had to work through a few compromises because they're used to working together with big cosmetic companies with huge factory floors. So this is one of the very rare times that they work together with somebody like me, really small. Most things are made in small scale, and everything's handcrafted and very manual. So after going through quite a lot of iterations of the design, they finally accepted this one, and we are going to start renovating as soon as I can talk to my contractor and get the final quote on prices of materials and things and workmanship. So I'm really happy that this has finally come through. There will be a lot more work to be done before the end of the year, but hopefully this studio will be completed by end September, early October. We'll see how it goes. But in the meantime, I'll still, of course, be concentrating on pushing out fresh batches of soap, moisturizing oils for you. And yes, if you have found that our things have been helpful for you or your family or friends, please feel free to recommend us to more people who might benefit from it as well. And please take advantage of our points reward system on the website, where you will be rewarded based on your purchases, as well as the product reviews that you leave on each individual product page. So yeah, take advantage of that, and we really appreciate your time, your effort to spread the word about Kinder Soaps. And we hope that with the combination of this, the reward system, and you telling more people about us, as well as being GMP compliant, we will be able to help more people get comfortable in their skin. So thank you once again for all your support. We definitely won't have gotten this far without you, our customers, as well as my family members, friends who've been really encouraging all this while. So thank you all. Kinder Soaps is really as much about you as it is about my personal mission to just provide natural alternatives to cleansing and to nourishing your skin. So have a great day, everybody, and take care.